Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Party Principle for Success in Social Media. And we're over here, we were just talking about connections and community and authenticity and engagement. And here's what's going on right now. So what's happening right now is a massive development in Facebook pages. And Social Cloud Suite can really help you with this. So here's what's happening in the context of conversation here. First of all, Social Cloud Suite will take away the pressure of content into context. This takes all the pressure off of you of finding content and posting it for you into your social communities. And we're talking specifically about Facebook, but as a self-employed person, this takes all of the pressure off. I just talked to somebody today with a Facebook page with more than 10,000 followers on one page, more than 50,000 followers on another page. They lost a person who was pushing content onto those for them, for their company. They haven't posted onto those pages now in 14 months. You know what it looks like? It looks like they went out of business. They didn't go out of business, and they're struggling, and they're wondering why. So this takes the pressure off of consistent, relevant content, and it's really, really important that it's not, that it's done in this automated way and not tied to some person or some outsourcer, right? So this takes the pressure off with Social Cloud Suite. But what I want you to do is not to just cash in that time and do something else with it. I want you to take the time that you were using for that activity, and I want you to put it into engagement. And that engagement is going to be listening into your community and connecting and engaging. So here's what's going on, what I alluded to a minute ago with pages. They're squashing groups. Facebook is squashing groups. There's no question about that. And they're investing heavily into pages. Pages are their primary revenue stream and the place that they want businesses to be building community. So they wanting you engaged in your Facebook page in ways that you were not before. I wasn't either, right? So this is new and different. Groups are being squashed, pages are elevating. What's happening? They've added video features to pages that compete directly with the features of YouTube. You can run featured videos now. You can build call to actions into native hosted videos, and you can build playlists inside pages on videos. You can also, there's these call to action, this is important. Images and articles and videos can have specific calls to action. These are buttons and systems inside Facebook. You're going to have to do that natively. I can't do that yet from Cloud Suite, but you can do that natively with videos and postings on the page. And here's the other thing, they're demanding engagement. They're tracking you. And this is a level of engagement that you probably never expected before, but they're expecting engagement with posts, comments, questions, and messages onto your Facebook page. And 15 minutes is the standard that they're looking for, within 15 minutes. So this is the expectation. And now they're going to reward you if you can succeed in that. They're going to punish you if they can't. They can't require you to do that, but the algorithm will punish you for not being engaged and will reward you for engagement. So here's the action, what I want you to do. Number one, take the time that you save with Social Cloud Suite and take some of that time into commenting, sharing, tagging people, being involved directly in this community. Participate in the party, make it more of a party. You need to be engaged, you need to answer messages, you need to comment, tag, share, and be involved in the community. And secondary to that, be cool, right? Show up as cool dude. We haven't got here yet, but don't just be business, offer, coupon discount. You got to be a well-rounded person and a legitimate cool dude as you're engaging in these communities. Same goes for staff. If you have customer service or sales or inside salespeople involved in your social communities, they need to be engaged, but they need to be high energy, light, funny a little bit, interesting, engaging. This is not corporate hardline hoo-ha here. That's not going to fly because this is social networking. So use the time saved from Social Cloud Suite to invest in social networking. Take it up just like a party. And what you're going to see is engagement grow on pages, and Facebook will reward you with increased visibility of your page and your content to your audience when you are engaged there. So consistent flow of content from Social Cloud Suite as well as yourself, and consistent engagement from your team. These are the critical things. Last thing, tons and tons and tons of questions about hashtags. And we've given you some really high level strategy on hashtags, recognizing some of the where people are at on hashtags. So I'm going to be consistently adding additional infographics like we did yesterday with the hashtag Palooza post. There's some infographics in the PS to help you, and simple things that you've got to master. Understand, for example, a hashtag and then a keyword forms a hyperlink. So a hashtag and a keyword like Shark Tank forms its own unique sort of hyperlink inside that network. And so you can't have a comma after it. You can't have another character immediately adjacent to it. You don't have a hashtag and a keyword and a hashtag immediately adjacent to it. You create a conflict and disrupt the function of your hashtag. So I've seen in some of your campaigns where you have hashtag keyword, hashtag keyword, hashtag keyword. There's no space in between on the right side or following your keyword, and so your hashtag's not working, and you're not able to connect into that vertical community based on context that's driven by hashtags. So learn the technicals of the hashtag as well so that you can connect into communities. That's it for today. That's the update from the party principal and from the feedback and questions we're getting. Pages in Facebook is blowing up. It's the place to be. Groups are going away, and the critical measures of engagement are being elevated. And remember, well, we haven't got there yet. When we get down here, you'll see about the power of engaged followers in your community on Facebook. We'll get there. We'll keep working through the party principles. So you keep coming back. Talk to you real soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.